In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a coolant reservoir on a Subaru Forester. It's located in the engine bay area. Your coolant reservoir is located just to the left of your battery. It's held on by two 10mm bolts. First, you need to remove your coolant hose. Just pull that out of the bottle and put it off to the side. Now you remove your two 10mm bolts. After you removed your two bolts, pull straight up and out. Your coolant reservoir bottle has an alignment pin on the bottom. You want to align that pin with that hole right there. Slide your bottle down, align your pin with your hole, and install your two 10mm bolts. Then tighten your two bolts. After you tighten your two bolts, install your hose. After you installed your hose, fill your coolant reservoir bottle to the full line. Once you've filled your reservoir to the full line, remove your funnel and install your cap, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.